In the name of Allah, the All-Merciful and the Mercy Giver. Peace be with you. It's my pleasure to talk to you about why do Muslim women wear a hijab? Here you are. Some non-Muslims might ask, why hijab? Why this oppression of women? We say, for most people, clothing choices are part of how they express themselves to the world. Often, clothing choices reflect the culture people belong to. Some people wear shirts that represent their favorite bands. Others don hats or jackets that have special meaning to them. For example, if you live in India or Sri Lanka, you might wear a sari. In Japan, you might wear a kimono for special occasions. Christian people often wear crosses as jewelry. In many Christian congregations, especially those of the Eastern Christian churches and conservative Protestant churches, women are required to cover their heads during Mass. In Christian denominations such as Mormonism and a follower of Reformed Protestant churches such as the Amish, the women are obligated to wear a type of cap or head covering, and they only wear long sleeves and long loose clothing. If you are a Jewish, Orthodox Jewish man wear the kippah all the time. Thus, choosing the hijab or clothing for Muslim women is part of how they express themselves to the world, and is a reflection of the culture to which they belong. Hijab maintains modesty, privacy, virtue, and morality. It is a protection from being sexually harassed. And referring to this, Allah the Almighty says, O Prophet, ask your wives, daughters, and believing women to draw their cloaks over their bodies. In this way, it is more likely that they will be recognized as virtuous and not be harassed. And Allah is all forgiving, most merciful. Finally, what is hijab? Hijab is a type of covering that should be worn by Muslim women in case they are intermingling with unrelated or non-mahram males. Most often, it's a scarf or shawl. It covers a woman's hair, neck, and shoulders. Oh God, guide us to chastity, decency, and the best morals, and no one guides us to the best of them except you. Amen.